Hi, in this video we will know what is MailMarts and then we will see how to work on this MailMarts. So let's see. First we have to know what is MailMarts. MailMarts is a powerful tool for creating a personal letter or email to many people at the same time. This features is usually worked in a word processing document which contain fixed text and there will be variable. So let's see how we will use this MailMarts tool. You can send an email using MailMarts, you can print document and also you can edit any of the document. First we will see how to create a MailMarts using type a new list. Then we will see how to MailMarts using saved data in Excel file or Access file. Here I have a data in Excel file. We will use it in a MailMarts. Let's go with the first one, that is type a new list. First we have to take our raw data. So here I have already created a document. We will take it as a raw data. This is a appointment letter. So we will create this appointment letter for 5 or 6 people. I will want to send this by mail or I will print copy of this appointment letter. So first go to mailing tab, then go to start MailMarts group, then select recipient, then select from here type a new list. Here I will take 5 or 6 field, name, address, pin code, etc. First we have to customize this column. Click on customize columns. Then you can delete one by one from here, and you can also delete this data by using keyboard. Just press Alt D for delete, Y for yes, D Y. Okay. Next click on add field. Here I will take first field, name, then address, city, then pin code, then job title. Okay. Next okay. I will fill data here. Ankita Biswas, Bidhannagar, city Kolkata, pin code 47, web developer. Next I have pressed here tab key. You can press tab key or you can click on new entry. Then click on OK. You have to save this data in your folder. Type file name here, list of emp. Save. I want to write here address, so click here, then mailings, insert field. First I want to give here name, then enter address, comma, space, city, pin code, job title. Here also I want to write job title. Space. I want to bold this letter. Home, bold, italic. Okay. Go to mailings tab, then click on finish and merge. From here you can send email message, or you can take printout of this 6 appointment letters, or you can see here edit individual document here. So I will click on edit individual document. If you click on all, then you will get all 6 appointment letter, and if you click on current record, you will get current record. If you click form 2, then you can get 4 to 6 or 3 to 5. So I will click on all, then OK. Let's see, here we have got 6 different appointment letter with different name: Ankita Vishwas, Bidhannagar, Kolkata, pin code, and job position web developer. Next, Shahnaz Parveen, Salt Lake, Kolkata, supervisor. You can see here we have got 6 different appointment letter. From here we can take print this appointment letter. So using this technique you can create mail merge. Next we will see how we will mail merge using save data. So here I have already typed a data in Excel file, that is a marked sheet format. So I will use it in mail merge. I do not want to save this. I have already created a data in Microsoft Word. So I want to create a marked sheet by using mail merge. So first go to mailings, then click on select recipient, then click on use existing list. You have to select the list. So I have saved the data in files folder. So from here you can select your file, then click on OK. So from here we can take this data, and you can also another way create a mail merge using save data. So let's see, start mail merge. Go to a step by step mail merge wizard. From here you will see what type of document are you working on. So here I will select letters. Next, click on next starting document. Next, select recipient. Select recipients. Here I will select use an existing list. You can select from Outlook context. You can type a new list. So here I have already saved data. So I will go with use an existing list. Then next, write to your letter. Then I will select the file from my folder. Mark sheet, open. Here you can see sheet 1. I have created only sheet 1 in Excel file. So okay. Then you can see all the records which I have typed in the Excel file. Okay. Next, name of a student. click here, go to insert and marks field in the mailings tab. First I will put here name of the student, then roll number, then language 1, here we will see the marks, language 2, physics, chemistry, mathematics, computer science. Next, total marks obtained, okay. Next, click on next, writing your letter. Next, preview your letter. Here you can see student name Suvarna Parveen, roll number 1. Here you can see her result. Next, second recipient Arpita Mondol, roll number 2. Here you can see her result. Next, Shahil Ahmed, roll number 3. Here you can see his result. So here I have got 10 different mark sheet of 10 different students. So from here you can print document, you can send email message, you can edit individual document, same as before. You can see 10 different mark sheet here. That's all in this video. See you in the next video.